Good morning. So this may not be the best angle. My phone is literally like propped up, but that's how we do it. So I thought I would do my eyeshadow on here. I use like browns, and I think everyone has browns. So if you have blue eyes, if you have brown eyes, if you have green eyes, if you have whatever other color eyes there are, I don't know, you can use brown eyeshadow. Depending on like your hair color and your skin tone, it depends on like what kind of undertone in your eyeshadow you should use. So like if you're more yellow and like brown hair, you could use more like warmer tones. If you are more like me, I'm more like kind of a cooler tone brown eyeshadow person, whereas like my skin tone is more yellow, but I have like cool toned hair and cool. So because my eyes are blue and they're like a cool, let me do this. Like it's like a cool toned blue, and then my hair is bright. Cool toned browns look better on me. They make my eyes pop more. So one thing you can do is use your bronzer or a contour palette if you are more cool toned. If you're not, which I wear warm tone browns all the time as well. So anyways, the first thing I always do is the bronzer I use on my face, I use in my crease. And today I used Benefit Hoola. So I'm literally just taking this fat fluffy brush and putting that in my crease and then buffing it out. So super simple, just laying that product down. And honestly, sometimes this is all I do. So like put it on and go. But I'm going to add a few more steps and show you those as well. Okay, so the next eyeshadow I'm going to go in with is MAC Soft Brown. And then I'm going to go in with MAC Texture. So literally just like a super simple brown look. And so I'm going in with soft brown first. And we're just going to keep that more like in the crease, closer to the lid. Let me get my mirror so I can see. And then taking Texture, which is more warm toned. And so you can mix these as well, people. You can mix cools and warms just depending on what your eye looks like. And so whatever's on my brush, I literally take and go underneath my eye. And that's like what I mainly do on a day-to-day. So like if I wanted, I'm just going to go ahead and add this. If I was going to make it a little bit more smoky, I would go in, with MAC Swiss Chocolate. It's the perfect like brownie shade. I don't know. It has like a little bit of like red in it almost. Like a reddish brown. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in. But like I said, we are doing super simple. That way everyone can do it. And then I'm using the same brush. Because if y'all are like me, you probably use the same brush. Now, when I do someone else's makeup, I've got like a brush for every single thing. But when I do it myself, I use the same brush for bronzer, blush, and powder. And then I use the same brush on my eyes like the whole time. So you can see that just added like a little bit of something to it, and then it just makes my eyes like pop. So it's pretty much what I do every single day. Like I said, whatever bronzer I use, I put in my crease. So if I'm using Physicians Formula, which is like one of my faves, I use it. Or today, like I did Benefit Hoola. Literally whatever bronzer I put on my face, I put on my eye. And then a lot of times I'll take my blush and put that as like a topper as well. It just makes everything go together and look really cohesive. So that's it, y'all. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your Friday. Happy weekend. I think I'm going to do like a fall tutorial with more like reds and browns. So if there's anything else y'all want to see, let me know. I've been getting some requests and it just like gives me excitement. So I'm like, let's play with makeup. But I want to do stuff you already have so you don't have to go and buy it, because I get it. Like, stop buying makeup. We need to use what we have. Even though we all love makeup. And I know we want to buy more and but like I am on this whole thing of I need to use a lot of the stuff that I already have, because some of the products, like eyeshadow palettes, I've had for going on a year, probably 2 years. And eyeshadows you can get away with for having for a longer time, but I'm like, I need to use what I have and not waste it. So I'm trying to pull out some stuff. And so I encourage you to do the same. Look through your products, see what you haven't used in a while. And if it's still good and it's not expired, like use it up before you go buy a new one. Like I said, eyeshadows can go for a while and you can like clean them and keep them very sanitary. But that's kind of my goal here recently, is to use products that I've purchased and that I don't reach for as much. Like this Huda Beauty, I want to do a tutorial with it. It's beautiful, and I bet I've used it twice.